In this video, we'll show you how to use the electronic touch control on your washer and matching dryer. The display panel on your washer and dryer is much like the touchscreen on a smart device. It responds to light taps of your finger. The only non-electric touch controls on the display are the cycle selector knob, the power button, and the start-pause button. The rest of the display has no true buttons, just white text that corresponds to functions and features. To select, simply tap the middle of the white text highlighting the feature or function you want to use. Try to tap within the suggested areas when making a selection. Once the selection is made, you will hear a tone and that selection will be highlighted. Keep in mind that the display responds to finger taps. There is no need to press hard or tap aggressively. For optimal performance, keep this touchscreen display clean. Wipe with a damp cloth. The panel could be damaged by some laundry pre-treatment and stain-removing products, so be sure to apply these products away from the washer and dryer, and always wipe up any liquid spills immediately. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.